So today on Sunday, I go market, go buy some stuff. I bought some fish. Niger. Wait, things cost now. Things don't cost. Some women are this blood acting, they don't clean and they liver. If you they cook, be neat. Don't say, don't they do things anyhow. So I buy all these things. Most start with fish first. Some people don't sabi wash fish. Not sure now. Come. So I buy croaker fish. I buy croaker. I buy titus. I buy tilapia. The croaker be this. The croaker fish be this. Nah, tilapia, this one be this. I want roast that for my husband. Now when they do us where they take care of, you understand? So, pack one off for the simple like this. A croaker be this one. Big croaker. You know say this fish now 8.5. Niger fish before na small money, chicken money. Now this month 8.5. I'm telling you. Now I can't watch my weight, so I eat more fish. My husband join me, they help me. So if not, if you're not like fish, if you don't encourage me at all. So what this one's like? Because the fish and this smell, you don't take care of your kitchen because they use fish. When they do if I do fish timber, I know they put that for my dustbin. I know if you stand the smell, just kind of put that to them. So this one a titus, original titus. Original titus be this. And they do they come out all these things. All this one I come go put that for dustbin. Not good. You go small, you go rot it. Every time I want to use all this, they cook at once. I'll buy and store for my fridge. Wash and wear. If they do anything, go and wear. Come out all those things, everything. But some people they talk about it. I know they talk about I know fit stand that. Maybe some people they talk about. No, I know best. They talk about no best. Me I know they talk about. So as I go market today, I come up from church. The shoe where I wear. You say to my leg, tell me, my leg show me your back. I'll tell you. See this fish head. If you never talk fried fish head before, fact, I never know it. I will tell you. They come by fish, want to read the head. Fry and chop and make this on chop and garlic. I know you remember now, fry am. My husband, no, they chop am, we don't like am. But he will say, throw that thing away, sir, so no vex, sorry, sir. No chop am, no vex. This fish is this one. Like that don't spoil you. I got go help us. This titus fish, this one, for 19,000. 19,000 naira, sorry, for those who no naira talk, no be dollar. 19,000 naira for this one. Now when you understand, I even if they abroad, make him 19,000 naira. Tell me, this fish, nice enough to weigh the head. I will chop anything, chop everything. So 19,000. Tell me, this one I don't wash up. So this one, the croaker fish, I tell them they come out those nyama from this side to market. So you say you get look already, they don't come out. The case they think see. No, chop it today. Never see anything. Don't look me. You should look here. See the fish in the yard. After that, I will deal with that. So I go market last at the time. Okay, this one never finish. My leg pain me. I'm telling you. But I still want to maintain steez. You understand? My leg they hurt me. They go. See, I think you know the air. Everything with the raw water. See here. I don't kill him today. I don't buy him. I chop him. You wash it. Then wash it. You know, Sabi cut this. Magana is yakari. I have yakari the washing. Anyone again? You see that the thing on the floor back. And the fish thing I block my sink. See the yama see. All this was you can't come near me, they irritate me. See. So now after you wash this fish, now some people will just flush and they don't care to wash the sink. You can't smell. If they cook, they neat. They smell up and down. Some women they cook to the other body, they smell maggi. I'm telling you, they'll break maggi carry and raw body. They break, you know they irritate them. No, they irritate them. You carry your hand, you break maggi, you open and finish, come back. Then forget come back and you say, hey, hello, honey. Why you no go run from you? If now you go 3 days, you go come out, they wait till you bath. No good. No, every person will tell you. If they find me insult, you make either go tell your family say they insult you. So this one. This one meat. After all this one, the next thing na to wash am. No leave the sink like that. Wash your sink. Wash am. Shift your fish, go back. Don't leave your sink like that. You no good. Big person they look down on woman, say you no need. You know say you want to say you go smell. You go dey say up and down. Wash your hand. Wash am well. Then this one carry am wash am. Wash the inside. The meat. Meat that is left for godliness. So when you dey meat like this one, you will see say that one dey come every day. Now you go dey dodge am. Neatness, the meat. If you wash fish, you smell fish. You cook food every day, they smell. It's not good. It's not good. At all. If they do that, I don't want that. I don't that thing here. I go cook again, but this one, make this smell come out. You see, that's the person do something. My like this one. You like some people they do some things well. This one way, this some people. That's how they like to do. Chop outside because you don't know how the person maintain himself and the track. Wash up meat. Wash up. This one, you say it smell, they unique. So you have to they wash it with the meat. After that, carry everything. You understand? Don't finish. Don't finish. Yes. Thank you. So now I will put that for fridge. Yes. What's that? Okay, good job. It's okay, good. So, look at all these fish. I think I only like once. Now, party, I'm not doing. I'll carry one whole fish of how many thousand? Cook one pot of soup. Wait. Even these days, they won't do party. Do what we say so. Because they go chop, leave it, they go. They'll chop, leave it. They don't care. So, no say people they impress people. As I been impressed with before when and then before I talk, I will people talk now they find. What do people say? So I do something of people, they please people. Up and down. As I home me. Nobody help me. As I home me, nobody help me. So I vow never to please anybody. You want to please people, go ahead. Don't please anybody, nobody send you. Nobody send you. Please yourself. Please yourself. So now you where they find who you go impress, they find me. I know they impress anybody as far as you be human being. I don't send you except the people that I honor. People who stood for me when I had nothing. I know they please anybody outside those people. Who here with you. No send you, papa. My people will stand for me. Nah, no. They will think I want to use all this fish. Go cook soup. My husband said that vegetable soup you want to. I know because that normal, you know that kind of leaves to you now. Say one use a chop swallow. Say yes, sir. Just I know they cook this one, the fry. This one don't do now. Don't do. So this guy is going to the fridge. Okay, no, if too much, the fish too much. I forget I buy meat. Too much. I get meat, I can't cook. This one don't do. Man, even cook this guy. This one never scatter like that. Okay. This one don't do it. I forget saying meat today. So this one is going to the freezer. They go freezer. And God know when you finish, I go think and small. You know they come out, don't come out because I don't get your time. Come out, I'll give you water from tap, not the bottle water. Water that I put it for my area. Get a place when I move, 300. 300 naira, sorry. And naira, no talk of dollar. I'm in Nigerian, I'm based in Nigeria. So at the top, I think I talk to my fellow Nigerian people. So naira is the currency used in Nigeria. It's our currency in Nigeria. So I'm not finished. Who's that? What are you looking for? Eh? What? You say what? No, you're eating. I won't give you that today, okay? Too much of it is not good for you. Yesterday, Yesterday I go one salon. I saw my husband and my chief boys to go over there. Get one woman. The woman son and another woman son. They are of age. But they say my son and they think say you senior them. I tell them say my son are 4 years. My second son 4 years and some months, 3 months or 3 months. They think say 5 years, maybe 6 years. Because their own son, one are 4, one are 5. That one for 5 years, woman, that 5 years mother. Carry her because my son they very strong, you understand? You start never hold your children strong. You get man know this man. Know this man. You understand? So I the woman. My pikin very strong, so as they play. But I coordinate my kids. As mothers coordinate your children, let them coordinate them in the public. Not people come they jump up and then jump here. Then that one picking at 5 years. You just call him picking, hold on. He said, don't play my son. You understand? For this life, mothers they fight for children. You don't know what you do yourself because they're innocent. You mothers they tie you beat my son, you beat my son. You don't know what you're doing to yourself. Because kids are kids. As you fought for your child, they will go back. Some parents, mothers will stand, they fight, they call it. The children they fight for, they don't go back to play. You understand? When that woman called her, beckoned on her child from my son, I was so happy. You know why? My child is full of self-esteem. It doesn't have one iota of inferiority complex. I think she has it a lot in her. So she pulled her son away from my great child, you understand? Well, then I left my child with the other one's child. They were playing. So it's not a small salon. A salon where if you go, you take your son. My kid, 4-year-old, Birmingham from 1.5. It's not a small salon, not to a salon of 200 or 300. 1,500 naira, sorry, naira. You understand? So it's a big salon where you meet people. But this woman pulled her son away from mine now. I'm not saying because I know her senior. If life never teach you a lesson, you'll behave like a kid. If life never teach you a lesson, you'll be behaving like a child. You understand? So now she born her picking through me and my own pick. You understand? My kids are unique and great to me, the same as you. But don't make other, I taught my boys full self-esteem. That's the last thing. Listen, you can't see that to my kids. They have it in abundance. So mothers, make sure you give your children. You understand? So if they don't meet of other kids, they go make you proud. So back to the fridge. Freezer, no vex.